What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today here on my channel. You could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here. Say hello to my little friend here. I've been eating a lot of chocolate these days and just started breaking out, so excuse that. But I'm so glad you guys are here. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I just wanted to do this little intro because what you're about to see, somehow I lost the beginning footage. I don't know what happened to it. I guess when I transferred it over, I thought I transferred it and I didn't, and so I kind of lost the beginning footage of this video you're about to see. So this is just my little intro saying welcome back to the garden, and I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks so much for stopping by. So I hope you enjoy. Okay you guys, as you can see, I got hot. I had to get my hat. Sweat is just dripping off me. But anyway, the camera cut off because it started overheating. That's how hot it is out here, y'all. I really shouldn't be out here at this time of day, but I have some free time, so hey. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I rearranged the folks. We have squash, we have a squash patch now. And then we have the leafy green patch. What I did was, let me show y'all. So I wound up cutting off the leaves of that collard that was just like Swiss cheese. This one wasn't as bad. I had bought some, I don't know if y'all remember in a previous vlog, but I was saying that, you know, the caterpillars were eating this stuff up and I had something for them. Well, that stuff worked because they were all dead. This was just the residual of what they had done. So I think I found just one on there that was still alive, and it looked like a baby. So I got rid of him, and then I cut this down. This is the aftermath. As you can see, all the Swiss cheese holes of the collards. And this is just cleanup of the yard. Remember, I had all that stuff in the walkway there. I just kind of picked everything up and put it in a pile so we can kind of clean up the garden a little bit. We have all the tomatoes pretty much over there. Remember, there was like 2 tomatoes right here. Like right here, 2 tomatoes. I moved him over there on the other side, and then I put the other one right here. And then that cherry tomato is right here. I have a cage for it, and I'll probably set that up today too. I think, where's the cage at? It might still be in the house, but I have it out ready to go to be put out here. So yeah, and this is the squash patch, like I said. Squash patch. And the other eggplant, I'm gonna put him right here next to him. And now I'm gonna start building that whole netting situation that I was talking about for the leafy greens now. So hopefully I can make it big enough to where I can stick another pot of maybe lettuce or something in there, or the next batch of collard greens that I want to make, because I did want to make the Georgia collards. So I'm trying to, you know, save some room for them. And yeah, you guys, we are getting cleaned up. I think it's time to get rid of this blue table because it's now taking up space, real estate in the garden. Along with this bin, it might be time to like use that bin to start planting stuff, because it's just sitting here and it's in the way. And so we don't really need this anymore. I don't have that many seedlings right now, and pretty much what I'm going to be planting is going to be like directly into the buckets, so, or a pot. So I'm going to put those things away for now into the shed until, I guess, you know, until I need them again. But there's no sense in just having this stuff sitting out here taking up prime real estate in the garden when it could be used for some other plant. So this is where we're at. I think I'm going to go ahead and start taking the cucumbers off now, so that you know, I can at least have that done. And there's like a big red wasp around here. Now usually, you know, I'll leave the wasp alone, but he's messing with me, y'all. He's trying to come over there and like make a nest over there up under my table. But I got something for him. Let me show you. You see this here? And I already shocked him once. I don't even know how he's still living, because I shocked him. Shocked the hell out of him. And he's still flying around here. So if he come back over around me again, he going down. So he better stay over there or go somewhere else, because, yeah, I'm trying to let you live, but you messing with me, and we can't have that. I have all of these other pollinators in here. They don't bother me. Not bothering me. Doing their own thing. I don't bother them. They don't bother me. But this dude decided that he wanted to come over here and mess with me today. So guess what? You know how we do in New York? How we get down in the boogie down. I know how we get down. No, I'm just playing. But for real, I'm gonna kill that thing if it keeps messing with me, because that is like a gigantic red wasp, and I'm sure that's gonna hurt if it stings me, and I ain't trying to get stung by no wasp. So, all right, I think I need to get to these other. Man, this is such a shame. My lettuce just wilted. I didn't get to it fast enough, and it wilted. So that's that. I'm bummed about that, but you know, it is what it is. Let me see if I can show y'all some melons real quick while I'm over here by the melon patch. Like I said, every day I come out here, I find more and more melons, y'all. Y'all can try to keep count. I'm not gonna keep count. I don't know, maybe when I go back and edit this, I'll be able to kind of count as we go along. But yeah, there's a lot. All right, I don't want y'all to overheat again, so let's try to do this quickly. So there's one there. Can y'all see him? One there. There's one here. There's actually two over here. I don't know where he's at. And my pollinators are kind of over here, y'all. I don't want to mess with them. There's another one there. There's another one back there. Ooh, I hear him. Y'all see him? Don't want to mess with him. There's another one there. Y'all, they're everywhere. Can I bring y'all? Oh man, I wasn't recording, y'all. The camera keeps cutting off because it's hot. Can y'all see the watermelon over there? There's two of them there. I don't know what y'all missed over here, but I'll do it again real quick. There's one here. There's one here. I thought there was like two more there. Ooh. There's one here. One here. There's one on the other side of this bucket. I can't get to it. There's one in there. Can you see him? All right, y'all. That red wasp is over here somewhere. I just saw him. But I got my thing. I'm not having it. So, back to the melons. Look, there's one there. That's that one that's hanging off the bucket right there. There's another one down here. I saw another one somewhere. The ants are taking my food from out of my daggone plants. Do you see this? They're taking the nutrients from the plants and going back to their nest or whatever. So guess what? I got some for them. Yeah, we ain't gonna be having that. Y'all done came to the wrong garden, I'm telling you. Okay, you guys, so I did really well. I got a lot of stuff cleaned up, as you can see. Got a nice clean garden. I cleaned out the, oh boy, it's got flying things everywhere, y'all. Okay, I also cleaned out the greenhouse. So like stuff that was in there that needed to come out, I took them out. The lettuce that's no more good. Yeah, so the other lettuce that was no more good, I removed all of those. And so these stakes that you see here, okay, that's what I'm gonna use to make this makeshift kind of screen house thing for the leafy greens. So I want to get started on that now, see how far I can get when I have to, yeah, like stake these things into the ground, and then we'll go from there. I really want to be able to show y'all this, but my camera keeps overheating my phone keeps overheating. So I'm just gonna have to do what I can, and then I guess I'll just have to show y'all, you know, the finished result, and then I'll just kind of explain. Yeah, see, my camera keeps cutting off. So let me get this done. I may have to like get some stuff off of the card here because it just keeps shutting off. I think I've run out of space altogether. So but let me try to get this done, and then yeah, I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back in the house. I'm trying to figure out this whole tool thing. I've got it laid out on the floor here. I had to come back inside. It's too hot outside to try to do this. Plus I needed my sewing machine to do this because I want it to be neat. I'm not trying to just throw the tool, you know, on stuff. So I'm here in my craft room / office, y'all. And I've already sewn 2 pieces of the tool together because it's not wide enough to fit, you know, that little area. You saw how I have like 2 buckets in a row, and then, you know, the one in the middle. So to be able to do the 2-row thing and to be able to put more stuff up underneath it, I needed to double the width of the tool that I had. So let me turn y'all around so y'all can kind of see where I'm at in this whole project. All right, so, and this is just a piece of mulch. So you can see here, I've sewn them together to make it double the width. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this stake piece of wood thing I got from Home Depot. I had to cut it in half because it was super long. But I'm gonna attach this now using a staple gun. I'm gonna attach that to the tool so that it can hang, you know, straight to the floor when I put it out there, because I don't want anything to get up under there that can like fly. So I need this to drape all the way to the ground on all sides. So for the back, since I'm not going to be like picking up the back constantly, we're gonna use this piece of wood to make sure that it doesn't, you know, blow in the wind or lift up any kind of way on its own. So that's gonna be to secure that. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna test to see, you know, where else I need to put the wood, or maybe something else, because I did see something else that I may need to try. But I'm just kind of going with the flow, y'all. Kind of going with the flow and trying to do this, you know, as I go along, just have an idea, and then I'm just trying to go ahead and do it. The main thing is I need this stuff to be covered in such a way so that, you know, when I could take it off and put it back on quickly and neatly, and so, yeah, no, nothing can get up under there. So I'm trying to take my time with this and make sure that it's secure, everything is secure and done correctly. So this is taking me just a little bit longer, and I knew it would. I didn't want to rush this project, so that's why it took me so long to kind of do this, but I gotta do it. So let me go ahead and attach this wood to the tool, and we'll go back outside. And I did wind up having to wind up having to take some stuff off of my camera because the camera was full, so that's why the video kept stopping. So, but I have plenty of room now. I took a lot of stuff off. And yeah, I guess I need to do some editing, huh? Anyway, all right, let's finish up this project. All right, you guys, we're gonna get ready to wrap this vlog up. This has been a really long vlog, I know, but this is like the first vlog where y'all actually see me doing stuff and kind of cleaning up the garden and doing stuff in the garden, like for real. So we've got a lot of stuff cleaned out. You see there's nothing hardly in the greenhouse, right? I still have to take those lettuce leaves off, but let me turn y'all around so y'all can see it's pretty clean in here, except for over by the table, because I've moved everything up there, getting ready to move it all out, change stuff out, y'all know. So let me show y'all what I came up with for my screen tent situation and everybody else. So we're over here like by the greenhouse, like this is getting ready to come out, so I'm just preparing. I'm gonna leave that like that for now. The beans are still here. This is like a tomato patch right here. This is where all the other tomatoes got moved. Well, the other 2 tomatoes got moved to. This is the cherry tomato. He now has his, I hear something buzzing behind me. I don't think it's another wasp. I wound up killing that other wasp, y'all. But there's another one here now. Anyway, this is a cherry tomato. I put the cage on it just to go ahead and get that done. That's the other, I want to say that's aroma. Oh no, that's the mystery plant. Remember we had the mystery tomato? I think it's aroma, but I'm not sure. So we'll see what that will be when it starts fruiting. I noticed on these tomatoes here, we've got a little bit of blossom end rot, but I think that kind of came on before I started giving them their Epsom salt bath, you know, cocktail. So, because I only see it on just a couple of them. So yeah, we're gonna make sure we watch them. Here is the squash patch with the 2 eggplants in the front. And here is the situation with the netting. So what I did really quick, is I found some scrap wood in the house and I staked those into the ground. They were 2 different sizes, as you can see. So the other piece of wood that I had cut, I just attached it to there. As y'all saw, I stapled it to the tool on the bottom, so this way I could just drop that down and nothing will get under there. And as you can see, there's like clips to try to close up the sides there, and it is closed up pretty well. Nothing's gonna get in there. And then we just have it draping over here. This is the other piece of wood that I cut off. As you can see, that wood was really long. Piece of wood was really long, so this is like half of the size of it. So I just laid that on top of there just so the tool doesn't fly up. And then on this side we did the same thing. Put another piece of wood, random wood that I had around, and some more of the clothespins to keep them securely closed. And there are some flies and stuff that have been trying to get on you know, on the plants already. And so from what I can tell, this is definitely working, and it's gonna work. So, you know, as this stuff grows, I'll just pull it just a little bit more taut so that they have room to kind of do their thing. I don't really want the tool to be laying on the plants themselves. I just need it to be like a screened house, you know what I mean, a screen tent. So that's what's going on there. All right, yeah, so everybody that's pretty much dead and getting ready to go has been moved up here. Garbage and such, you know, these all have to be done. And also that other lettuce bowl, I'm gonna move that. Well, I'm gonna empty that, but I'm not gonna do that today. Not gonna do that today. We'll do that another day. I think this vlog has been long enough. I want to thank you guys for watching. This is the first long vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and feed everybody tonight. Like I said, I had folks to feed that, you know, didn't need cocktails or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start bringing the water out, so when the sun kind of goes down later in the evening, I'll go ahead and feed folks. And that's pretty much a wrap over here. It's pretty much a wrap. And it looks so clean now. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it was looking a hot mess earlier. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. Look, my hair looks totally different than when I started. It's all frizzed out. Guess I gotta wash it again. This was my birthday hair, and it looked really pretty before I started. If you want to see like products that I use, check out some of my other videos. I'm sure I'll have that posted of what I use for my curls for my birthday. But yeah, my birthday was Sunday the 11th, and today is the 13th. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the vlog. Today is the 13th, and yeah, y'all, that is about it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bug's trying to get me. Bye.